In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off professional mode in the Instagram mobile app. Let's open the Instagram app. In the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. Here you can see that a title and a professional dashboard option are available here, which means my account is in professional mode. Turning off professional mode on Instagram can be a practical decision depending on how you use the platform. For many users, privacy is a key reason. Professional mode often makes your profile and content more publicly visible, which may not be ideal if you prefer a more private or personal experience on Instagram. Switching back to a personal account allows for a more relaxed, private, and simplified use of the platform without the added responsibilities or expectations that come with a professional setup. In the top right corner, tap on the 3 vertical lines. Scroll down on the menu and go to the Professional section. In the Professional section, tap on Creator Tools and Controls. In the Creator menu, tap on Switch Account Type. In the pop-up, tap on Switch to Personal Account. A pop-up should appear explaining the consequences of turning off professional mode. In here, tap on Switch to Personal Account. Here you can see that my profile is in normal mode now. Following these steps, you can turn off professional mode easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.